nutrition? Well, if you're like me and you have teenage sons and you want to keep them away from junk food, well, treat them to this recipe, jumbo ice cream sandwiches that they are going to love. The main ingredient in this is heart-healthy oats, high in fibre, high in protein, it's very nutritious, and it'll give them long-lasting energy and satisfy big appetites. And of course you do want to encourage children to eat healthy, because this develops healthy habits and will help them to have a disease-free, healthy adult life. Here we go. 2 cups of oats. I'll just put in the blender. And we have half a cup of low GI coconut sugar, a much better choice than the usual refined sugar. Okay, so just blend that till it's fine. So I'm just adding half a teaspoon of bicarb soda, and then I'm going to add half a cup of melted coconut oil. So just put that in. And then we need half a cup of nut butter. You can use any nut butter. You can check out my recipe if you want to make your own, or just use one that you've bought, but try to make sure it's a natural one with no additives. So we'll just put in half a cup of that. We have 1 flax egg, each is a tablespoon of flax, mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. And just let it sit like that till it becomes like a paste, and just put that in. Now it's just a matter of blending it all together. Alright, so once you've got to this stage, you can really add in anything you like dark chocolate, walnuts, or maybe dried fruit, or anything that your children or you prefer. It's healthy, stick to the healthy stuff, of course. So just put that in and just slightly blend it. Your mixture should look like this. So we're just going to take like spoonfuls of the mixture and press it into large cookie shapes. Hopefully it's going to hold together. So we want to make some large size cookies here. My son actually makes these himself, which of course it's good to get the children into the kitchen and making their own food. You might need to squeeze the dough a bit so that it forms together better. Okay, so now you should have about 8 jumbo-sized cookies. So they just go in the oven at about 190 degrees for about 10 minutes. Okay, so while those cookies are baking, we're going to whip up some quick nutty caramel banana ice cream to go in the middle. So I just got a cup of cashews that I've soaked in boiling water for about 20 minutes and drained. So just put them in the blender. You don't have to wash the blender, you can just use it as it was from before. So I'm just going to add about 3 to 4 medium bananas that have been chopped and frozen. So we just add those. So now I'm adding a tablespoon of maca powder. That's got a nice caramel flavour. And then I'll add 3 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and the same of nutmeg. A tablespoon of any kind of plant-based milk that you like. And then just blend it all together. So now you have a thick, smooth consistency. So we'll just put that in the freezer until the cookies have cooled down. So our cookies have cooled down now, and now it's the fun part, assembling it all together with our delicious nutty banana caramel ice cream. So we'll just get the cookies for the bottom and put some of the ice cream on. And one on top. So here's my delicious jumbo ice cream sandwiches. And I know my teenage sons are going to be in here any minute to grab one of these. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.